Hi everyone, this is Tom Rowe, Product Evangelist for CentreStack, and I've gone over two-factor authentication in CentreStack, but I also wanted to touch on another possibility. Suppose you already have a code that you're using with another application, say Facebook for instance, and you would like to use the same code for CentreStack. Well, we have covered that. So let me go ahead and log in. Logging in as Bob. Okay, here I am in my file browser. And I'm going to go up to my user settings and go to two-step verification. I'm going to enable that. As you can see, it's generating a random 32 base code here. But what if I want to use my own code? We do that right here. Now what code am I going to use? Let's go to Facebook. So here I am, Bob Doe in Facebook, and I'm going to check my settings here. And let's go to security and login, and two-factor authentication is currently enabled. And right here I see that I've got my authentication app, and I want to add a new app. Well, it gives you this option here, so you can scan another app in, or scan this code into another app, but it also gives you this code right here. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come over here and I'll paste it. Now I'm going to get rid of my spaces because we don't need those. Use my own code, and it updates this, and now I can use my phone's app to get the code that I need, the 6-digit code I need to log in. So I'm going to look at my phone and see, I've got this one here. Okay, there's my code. You can see I'm running out of time here, so I'm going to wait for it to reset. So we've got 647242. And apply. And I'm in. So as you can see now, I am using two-step verification or two-factor authentication using my own code, which now matches the one I'm using on Facebook, so that I can use one authenticator to generate these same codes that can be used in two different applications. So I hope that was helpful, and that's it for this one. Please like and share, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.